15-year-old teenager from Tivoli Gardens was shot and killed by armed men when she went to see her father in Denham Town on Wednesday evening. An 8-year-old girl was also shot and killed in relationship to the incident, but the details are sketchy at this point. Checks with the Constabulary Communication Unit confirms that there had been a shooting incident which had led to the deaths of 2 children. We can confirm that 2 children were shot and killed and that the investigators are on the scene. The incident happened at about 5 p.m. when the 15-year-old was shot, while the 8-year-old was also shot and killed afterwards. We are not sure if the 8-year-old was shot as an act of reprisal, as the investigations are ongoing. A zone of special operation is currently in force in Denham Town. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.